Hi guys, welcome to binary programming. Today in this video we will see the functions and operators which are available in MuleSoft to perform string manipulation in Datawave. Okay, so here you can see I have this very simple string. Okay, on that only we will perform all the operations. So our first operation we have is replace function. So here we can give payload 01, and how to define the replace function. So here we have to give replace and the character which you want to replace. So here this three character I want to replace with comma. So here we have to give with and then comma. So this with operator it always use with replace only. This is kind of English sentence how we read replace this with this. Okay, so in that way only we have to define the replace, and here we can see our this three character has replaced with this one. Okay, now the next function we have is splitBy. I want to perform split on this space. Okay, so how we can do that? Payload splitBy, and here we can give this. So what would happen? Here we can see it has splitted our this string into 4 elements inside array. So this split function, it takes a string and it returns array. Okay, so here we can see even if I'll just give space here also, then we can see now it has generated 5 elements. Okay, so on this space it is performing the split and it is generating a array. So this is a splitBy. Now the next function we have is sizeOf. So this sizeOf function, it works on array, but it works on string also. So here if for this string, if you want to see what is the length of this string, so with this sizeOf we can check that. So here you can see it has written 25, and I'll just count this character, then it should be 25 only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Yes, so as we can see it has written 25 because there is a 25 character. Now as we can see here it has generated this array, and on this if I'll do sizeBy, then what is the response we will get? So as I said, it works on array also. So this is array, so here only we can see how sizeOf will work on this. So here we can see it has written 5 elements, so for that reason it is returning 5. Okay, because our array was having 5 elements, and if I'll just remove this space, then array has 4 elements. Okay, and this size also has reduced because one character, the one space which we had before in this string, it has removed. Now the next we will see contains. This contains also, it works on array as well as on string. So here we will see how it works on string. So in this payload, if I'll check for particular string or substring or any specific character, then it will return true or false. Okay, so here if I look for E, if this complete string is having E, then it is written true because it is having E. Okay, now in place of small e, if I'll pass capital E, then it has written false. So with this we can see this contains it, this is a case sensitive. So here even if I'll pass this hello, then also it will work correctly because it is able to see this substring in the complete string. Okay, and here if I'll just look for this one, then also it is returning true. But here if I'll just remove this one and keep this O before, then it is returning false. Why? Because here it is not able to look for this substring in this complete string. Okay, for that reason it is returning false. Okay, and here as I said, this contains works with array. So as here we can see it is returning array. So if I'll just remove this, and in this array if I'll try to see contains, we can see it has returning false. Okay, because there is no character with this 3 string. So if I'll just look for I, then it will return true. Now the next operator we have is plus plus, and plus plus is useful when you want to perform concatenation onto a string. Okay, so here if in this string, if I want to merge some other string, so with plus plus, as we can see, this is our string which we are having here, and in this one we have merged the capital N. Okay, so with this we can see it is working correctly. Now next function we have is starts with. With the name only we can understand how this works. So start with it check for the specific string which we are passing, and checking if this substring is present in the main string, and if that is the starting part of that string, then only it will return true. Okay, so here if I'll do payload 01 starts with H, then here we can see it has written true, but it's this capital H. If I'll change to small h, then here it is returning false. Okay, so this one is also case sensitive, and here even I'll pass this complete string, then also it will work correctly, true. Okay, this is starts with. Next we have is ends with. So ends with also it is like starts with only. So instead of checking for the first string, it check for the end string. Okay, end substring. So here if I'll do payload 01 ends with, and the substring nn, then here we can see it has written true, and this one is also case sensitive. So if I'll pass capital N, it will return false. Okay, now next we will see scan function. So scan function is it takes a string and it returns array of arrays. Okay, so let me just show you how this works. So here you can pass the regex. So here we can see it is having a space, right? So if we want to remove this space, so using this regex, how we can remove? So this expression should return the remove this space and return all the characters without a space. So here if you will see, it has written array of array. As I said, this is our main array, and inside that we are having sub arrays. Okay, and all arrays are having each characters. So here we will see, but we are not able to see any array or any array with this space, because here we are looking for non-space characters only. Okay, so if this one, if I'll do just flatten to see if we are getting correct response or not. So here we can see we are not getting any space in this array. Okay, now here if I'll just change this one to this one, so here you can see it is looking for non-digit characters, and this we are having all non-digit characters only. So for that reason it has written complete string and with this space this time, because we are looking for non-digit, and space also comes in non-digit character. So for that reason it is returning space also. Okay, and this flatten function, what it is doing, it is just removing arrays inside array, and it is doing flatten and generating a single array. Okay, so with this we are done with all the string functions, and I hope you are clear. Thank you for watching.